मुझे दूर दूर से लोग बनाने आते हैं, एक पाव देते हैं, दिन भर कर देता हूँ। सुनाओ क्या आपको?
हाँ सुनाओ ना, सुनाओ ना।
Yeah, well, now just take an could be done. Just welcome back to Somalia Raud Stadium, Port Suni. Yeah, well, now just a team in the end, but pitch report is very difficult. The outside is Tariapadia. Yeah, the upside is Tariapad is very difficult because Tariapad is very huggery. Yeah. And well, just and leg side difficult is very purwa and also very difficult for outfield and the fielding side. Well, India was the toss and decided to bat first. I invite to Chennai Super King 11 in Bharti Mahan 11. Committee chair. 15 over gone, India 2 wicket loss and 60 over gone and Ding Tally in the ground. Open the ground.